Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tasty Treats. I am Sushmita and today I am going to bring a sweet that is known to almost every Indian and has been loved since 19th century. These irresistible fluffy white balls of sweet cottage cheese just melts in your mouth. Yes, you got it correct. Today we are going to make Rasagollas. With just a little care, you can make this sweet dish in your home in just 3 easy steps. First step is making chhana. Second step is making balls out of that chhana. And third and final step is cooking those chhana balls in sugar syrup. And your rasagollas will be ready. Before we start cooking, let me remind you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And also leave your valuable comments in the feedback section. And let's start cooking now.
Here I have taken 1 liter of whole milk in a pan and started heating up. We need juice of 1 lemon to make chhana or cottage cheese. Small tip here, when you make chhana for Rosogolla, always use whole milk. Once the milk has started boiling, I have turned the stove off and gradually added the lemon juice in the milk. Soon we can see the milk curdling and chhana is getting separated from the greenish whey. I have strained the whey out through a thin cotton cloth placed over a strainer. I will preserve the whey as it is protein packed and can be used in many ways. Next, I have poured some cold water on the chhana. This will help me to cool it down a little bit and to remove the smell of the lemon. Now I will squeeze lightly to take the extra water out. Here is our freshly made chhana. I will hang the chhana above my kitchen sink for 8 hours to get rid of all extra water. This is the way which I will save for future use. After 8 hours, I am going to take the chhana out and break the lumps. Knead chhana until there are no lumps, but not so much so that the milk fat gets separated while kneading. This will take about 5 minutes to make a smooth dough like this. Kneading to the right point is important while you make rasagollas. The dough should be like this, neither too soft nor too hard. I am going to divide equal portions to make 1-inch diameter balls. Chhana from 1 liter of whole milk yields about 10 rasagollas. Now this step is completely optional. To add a little surprise, I have crushed and mixed 3 to 4 pistachios and 2 green cardamoms roughly. I have flattened the portion on the palm and put a tiny bit of the mixture in the middle of the portion and wrap it around. Now I will make a round ball with the help of my palms. repeat the same procedure for rest of the portion and make 10 round balls of chhana. Here are my chhana balls ready to jump in the sugar syrup. Now it's time to make sugar syrup. For that I have taken 2 cups of sugar and added 8 cups of water. While the mixture is heating up, I will throw 3 to 4 broken green cardamoms in the syrup. Keep the heat on high all the time while the syrup is boiling, and it's time to add the cheese balls into the syrup. Let this cook covered on high heat for 20 minutes. You can see the Rasagollas have puffed up. After 20 minutes, the soft, fluffy, white Rasagollas are ready. How soft these Rasagollas are.
So that was Rasagollas for us. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.